This entire website, animations, parallax scrolling, everything was built with ZCode running GLM 5.3. And the crazy part, it's completely free to try. In this video, I'll show you what ZCode and GLM 5.3 actually are, how to install it, and then we'll build a real website with it from scratch. Before we install anything, let's quickly talk about what these tools actually are. ZCode is the official coding agent harness built by Z.AI for their GLM models. Think of it as a full desktop coding environment, similar in spirit to tools like Claude Code or Cursor, but purpose-built around GLM 5.3. Instead of just chatting back and forth, ZCode works through goals. You give it an objective, and it plans, writes code, tests it, and verifies the result, all inside one continuous task. It comes packed with over 20 built-in developer tools: Git, terminal access, file management, debugging utilities, so you're not constantly switching between apps. It can even hold long-running context. File contents, terminal output, and Git state all stay in memory throughout a task, which matters a lot for bigger projects. One more cool feature: you can steer and monitor tasks remotely from your phone through apps like Telegram or WeChat, so a build can keep progressing even when you're away from your desk. Now, the model behind it, GLM 5.3. This is Z.AI's latest release, and it's built on the same large mixture of experts base as its predecessor, GLM 5.2, but with heavy additional training focused specifically on coding and long horizon tasks. It also supports a massive context window, up to 1 million tokens, which means it can realistically hold an entire codebase in memory while it works. In short, GLM 5.3 is currently one of the strongest openly available coding models out there, and ZCode is the free, official way to actually use it for real development work. That's exactly why we're testing it today.
Let's get it installed. It only takes a couple of minutes. Go to Google and search for ZCode. Click the first official link, the official harness for GLM 5.3 ZCode. Click Download ZCode. File size approximately 141 megabytes. Once it's downloaded, let's install it. Open the downloaded file to launch the installer. Click through the setup prompts. Next, choose your install location. In this demo, installed to our drive, Program Files, ZCode. Click Install, then Finish. And that's it. ZCode is installed. Here's what the interface looks like when you first open it. Open ZCode and connect to Z.AI. Log in via Google or your existing account. Authorize the connection and continue. Now, here's the part everyone asks about. How much can you actually use for free? GLM 5.3 up to 3 million tokens per day on the free tier. GLM 5 Turbo up to 2 million tokens per day on the free tier. Quick heads up, quota amounts and trial terms can change, so always double-check the current numbers on the ZCode site before you plan around them. But even at a conservative estimate, this is a huge amount of free usage. More than enough to build small apps, automate scripts, or handle daily coding tasks without spending a rupee. If you outgrow the free tier, there are paid coding plan options too. But for what we're doing today, free is more than enough. All right, let's actually build something. I've already created an empty project folder on the desktop. Open ZCode, open folder, select the project folder. Model selected, GLM 5.3 Max, the highest reasoning or thought level. We're using a prompt that's about 155 lines long, describing exactly what we want: a parallax-style website with smooth scroll animations. I'll paste this in and let GLM 5.3 take over. And yes, full prompt is linked in the description if you want to try this yourself. And after a bit of back and forth, it's done. Let's open it up and see the result. Show the home page, highlight the parallax animation, scroll down through the sections. Honestly, this first section looks really good. The layout, the animation, the scroll effect, all of it came out clean. The one thing I didn't love was this floating element on the front screen. It was breaking the whole layout. So let's tell the AI to remove it. And there it is, the finished site, animation and all. All the prompts we used in this build are in the description below, so you can copy them and try this yourself. And if you want the full, detailed breakdown of exactly how we built this site, step by step, prompt by prompt, comment below and we'll put together a separate deep dive video on it. If this helped, hit subscribe for more AI coding tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.